a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time.
So I just did my makeup. It's currently 2:25. Don't ask no questions. Just did the makeup, just filmed that obviously, which is a win. I'm so excited. Record Get Ready With Me really quick downstairs, or a fit check rather, downstairs. And should I do like I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a voiceover fit check or both of them. Both of them. Okay. You don't even know what the other option was, but you'll see. What else was said? My lashes. How y'all almost forgot to let me. How y'all almost forgot to let me do my lashes? How me already looking like lashless Shan? That's really crazy about y'all. Alright, let's see how quick we can do these. I'm giving myself 7 minutes. It is 2:26. What is that? 2:32? 2:33? I have these, by the way. Not that you asked. That's not good. The pressure is getting worse. These. How cute.
It's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of.
Okay. I won. It's 6:30. That took 4 minutes. Okay, girl. You'll be able to do it. Also, this is the lash glue I use. Only this. Can y'all see it? There you go. Yeah. Girls, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Look at the face. The face. Yeah. And this is the daytime look. I'm going to revamp it for tonight. Very excited. Very proud of myself. Thank you to me. You know.